Alright guys, here's the follow-up video for Tourex EVO-II version 2023. Remember we test out the other day in the daytime. So now we're gonna do a night test. We are in the dark alley. We're gonna test the light for its light throw and the glaring and the rider point of view. So now we're gonna test the light out. Okay, as you can see, the light throw coverage estimate roughly about 50 to 100 meters ahead lah. So you can see the light coverage, and let's check it out on the glaring. So as what I say in the previous video, it's non-glaring, so I can stand right in front of me, don't have that shine on my face, and you can see the light through, straight light, you can even see the fog. So now let's see the rider point of view. Alright, okay, so as you can see, the light throw, which is about 50 to 100 meter. This is like a Euro beam, it's white and it shines far. So let me off the light. So as you can see, the light here is quite not so well lit because the light here is spoiled. Yeah, so you can test the light. So let's on again, rider point of view. You can see the coverage, it's around 50 to 100 meter. It is quite nicely spread, the light, so when you tour at night you can see the road in front of you very clearly. Alright, that's all for tonight. We're gonna test again on all of our other fog lights, and we see you on the next video.